Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. I'm just going to do a real quick potato harvest here today. I have some Norland potatoes. There should be 4 in this bag. It's about a 5-gallon bag. I made this with fabric, landscape fabric. So as you can see, these potatoes aren't looking super finished growing yet. They did flower a while ago, and I planted them May 17th. And it's now June 20th, I believe. So they've had about 60 days. So there should be something in here. And we're out of potatoes, so ready or not, these are coming up, and we're gonna see what's in here. So I thought I'd bring you along. There's the tops off. Let's see if there's anything in here. A couple little ones. Norland are an early to mid-season potato. They have the red skin and they have white flesh. And these were grown from my own potatoes from last year. So that's one of the seed potatoes. You see it's not super used up yet. There's lots of little potatoes here yet that could have grown longer, but like I said, we're out of potatoes. It doesn't matter. There's another seed potato there. There was some sort of melon or something that was coming up in that compost to keep cutting it back. Alright, so not very much from 4 potatoes, but that's kind of what I was expecting. You could see those plants weren't really died back and ready to be harvested, but we're out of potatoes, and I'd rather take the ones that I'm growing and get a little meal out of them. So this will do for tonight. We'll have some nice fresh baby potatoes, and maybe that'll hold my family off for another week or so here. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.